Hi there, students. To live it up, to have a good time, to enjoy yourself by doing the things that you like that are expensive, to be extravagant, to do what you want to do and enjoy yourself regardless of cost. So John won some money on the lottery and he lived it up for the next couple of weeks. Normally I live quite a frugal life, but when I'm on holiday I try to live it up. I've been studying for my exams for weeks and weeks, and now that I've passed, I'm going to live it up a bit. Yeah, so go out, socialise, be a bit extravagant, spend your money. His wife always says that living with him is like living in a monastery, and he really should go and live it up. I think people should live it up while they're young because they have much more energy. So, he lived it up. He is living it up. You need this it. It's the part of the phrase. Okay? If you want to live it up, then you should try going to a few good restaurants. Okay? So, it's a full phrase. It's like an idiom. Notice this as a phrase is fairly informal. I'd probably give it maybe a 4.5 out of 10 informality. This is definitely a phrase for an informal conversation in the pub. It's not the sort of phrase to use in a really formal document. I think maybe more formally to live extravagantly or something like that. Okay, so when you've got time and money to do it, I would strongly suggest you live it up. You be extravagant and do the things that are expensive. Live for today and the devil may care for tomorrow. Okay? So, there you go. To live it up. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To live it up.